How to improve attending skills in children with autism through engaging and fun approach. Core strategy. One of the most effective ways to improve attention in children with autism is simple: making learning fun and engaging. Children naturally attend to what they enjoy. So instead of forcing attention, we create it through motivation and play. Why this works. This strategy is based on key ABA principles. Motivation, establishing operations. Naturalistic teaching. Reinforcement-based learning. When a child is interested, attention increases naturally and effortlessly. How to apply engaging and fun approach. Here are practical ways to do this. 1. Turn tasks into games. Instead of giving instructions, turn it into a game. Examples. Let's find the red block. Ready? Go. Clap when you see the animal. Who's faster, you or me? This increases excitement and attention. 2. Use music and movement. Add songs, rhythm, and actions. Examples. Clean up song. Action songs like clap, stomp, jump. Dance while learning. Movement helps regulate attention and reduces restlessness. 3. Incorporate child's interests. Use what the child loves. Examples. If the child likes cars, use cars for counting. If the child likes iPad, use it as a reward. If the child likes animals, use animal toys. Interest is equal attention. 4. Surprise and novelty. Keep activities exciting and unpredictable. Examples. Mystery box. Hide-and-seek objects. Pop-up toys. Novelty captures attention quickly. 5. Keep it short and dynamic. Use quick, varied activities. 2 5 minutes per task. Switch activities frequently. This prevents boredom and maintains focus. Pro tips: follow the child's lead. Instead of controlling everything, observe the child. What are they looking at? What are they interested in? Then join their activity and expand it. This is called child-led learning, and it significantly improves attention. Important reminder: attention should never feel like a punishment. Avoid forcing the child. Long, boring tasks. Repetitive drills without reinforcement. Instead, make the child want to attend. Attention is not forced, it is earned through engagement. Now, we understand how powerful engagement is. That's it for now in this video. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.